To change watch faces on the Apple Watch Ultra 3rd generation, we got like two methods. The first one, you can just click and hold on your watch face, and now you can pick the different watch faces that are available. As a default, you will probably get the only one, but if you already add them from your watch application on the iPhone, then you can just click on it and it will be quickly applied. You can also click and hold it and add new watch faces by clicking on the plus, and here you can find all of those watch faces. Let's say that I want to get some bold watch faces, so I have to just tap on it, click add. Over here I can just customize it up to my preferences, and if I'm gonna click on it again, like when I'm gonna swipe up or down, I can change something. Take a look. And now when you click on the crown control button, you will stop it, then click on it once to quickly change it. You can also do this from your iPhone by opening watch application and going to the face gallery. Here you can also find a lot of different watch faces, also dedicated only for Watch Ultra. In this case, we got the 3rd generation. So let's say if I want to get this one, I have to just tap on it. I can still customize it if I want up to my preferences, and I have to click add button. Now it was sent to my Apple Watch, and as you can see, it's already here. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.